Okay, let's take a look at the first example. We have negative exponent. I'm going to convert the whole expression to fraction. So I'm going to have 5z to negative 4 over 1. Now, in order to convert this negative exponent to positive, I have to bring the whole numerator to the denominator. That's why I'm going to have 1 over 5z to the 4th power equals. Now, you're supposed to remember the formula which says anytime we have expression, the product in the parentheses, and we have exponent outside of the parentheses, we have to multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. That's why I'm going to have 5. 1 times 4 is 4, and I have z. 1 times 4 gives me 4. Okay, now we can go further a little bit. Just keep in mind that 5 to the 4th power is 625, and this is going to be z to the 4th. This is the solution to first problem. Let's take a look at another example. I have x and x. Anytime I divide variables with the same base, I'm supposed to keep the base and subtract exponents. Okay, so what I'm going to have, I'm going to have 12. Okay, why I'm going to have 12? Because remember, anytime there is no integer next to the variable, there is always invisible one. 12 divided by 1 is 12. Because I divide variables with the same base, okay, I keep the base and subtract the exponents. I'm going to have 8 minus negative 3. Okay, so I'm going to have 12x negative times negative gives me positive. That's why I'm going to have 8 plus 3 equals 12x to 11. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at another example. Again, we have the same base. When we have the same base, we keep the base and subtract the exponents. I'm going to have negative 9 minus negative 11. Negative times negative gives me positive. That's why I'm going to have w minus 9, and negative times negative give me positive 11 equals negative 9 plus 11 is equal to, so I'm going to have w to the 2nd power. And this is the solution to this problem.